Don't twist your ankle.
All right, I got it. I'm on it.
Yeah, your ankle pushing forward.
Why you speaking on it? You can have a putting it in the universe.
Part of the gear list.
I didn't see no gear. What was the gear?
You didn't read the gear list?
Sideways, facing where you can grab on if you slip.
I'm going down. I ain't trying to catch you because down. She's also on the floor. I got more.
I thought I was there.
Because actually my sister's coming in July and she's bringing 2 more hats for my dad. No, my dad passed away 5 years ago. And so he had a lot of stuff.
He had a lot of hats.
Yeah, he had a lot of stuff. So there's 2 of them. I'm going to show you. They're amazing.
Are you gonna hang them somewhere like really cool in the apartment?
Exactly. The whole point, the whole point of that one is to really have them like displaying that way. A nice glass, you know.
Hello.
Yeah. Let me show you. They're really, really nice. Oh. You see, Celia?
What's up?
I don't know.
Phone is dying. I don't know.
Can you tell he does it all the time?
All the time. No problem.
Yeah, it ain't working. Because how much percentage on it?
30.
Don't work.